Hi everyone, my name is Morgan from English with Morgan. In today's lesson, we will learn all about small talk. How do you do it? What do you say? And what do you not say? Let's start learning. In today's lesson, I will take the most common topics that you can talk about with a person and break them down by expressions, questions, and answers that you can use the next time you need to make small talk. We will cover the following topics: jobs, hobbies, location, weather, and plans. Let's start learning. Let's define what small talk is. Small talk is a short conversation that you can have with a complete stranger, be it at the grocery store, at the playground, on the street. Our first subject is jobs. The most common question that you can ask is, what do you do? This means, what is your job? You can say, I'm an engineer. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm a doctor. Another way to ask this question is, what field are you in? What field are you in? Then someone can say, I'm in engineering, or I'm in medicine. To continue the conversation about this person's job, you can say, how long have you been doing that? How long have you been doing that? For example, I've been an engineer for 3 years, or I've been a doctor for 10 years. Our next topic of conversation is hobbies. A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time. You can ask, do you have any hobbies? Or a more advanced expression is, what are you into these days? This means, what are you interested in? What do you like to do? To answer this question, you can say, these days I'm really into baking. These days I'm really into reading mystery novels. In the comments, let me know, what are you into these days? Our third topic is talking about your current location, where you're speaking to this person. You can say, do you live around here? What do you like to do around here? Do you come here often? Are there any good restaurants around here? And are you from here originally? The next topic of our conversation is the weather. You can always talk about the weather because the weather is always changing. You can start your conversation by commenting on the status of the weather right now. For example, it's been really hot lately, or it's been really cold lately. You can talk about the weather for the future. For example, it's calling for rain this weekend, or it's gonna be really hot this weekend. And for a question, you can ask someone, what do you like to do around here when it rains, or when it's cold? Or what do you like to do around here when it's hot? Our final topic of conversation is small talk about plans. You can say, do you have any plans this weekend? A more advanced way to ask this is, what are you up to this weekend? Or what are you gonna do for summer vacation or winter vacation? I'm gonna go visit my family, or I'm gonna go to the beach. Now, for some tips to keep in mind the next time you have a small talk conversation, make sure you keep the conversation positive. Don't say negative things. Always ask questions to the person that you're talking to. That shows that you're interested in what they have to say. Also, don't ask too personal questions like, how much money do you make? That's a big no-no. Usually we do not talk about money, religion, or politics. So I hope you learn some really useful expressions the next time you need to talk to a stranger. Thanks for watching. See you next week.